All right. Klein razor knife. Spyderco Delica. ProTech TR3 Immunity. No, Integrity. And a Victorinox Super Tinker with the scissors. Wyatt, what you got? Hurry up, the people are waiting.
The thing that I got from my father.
Civivi Yonder.
And then I got this.
Pop it open. Boker Kalashnikov. What you got? Go.
And I just got Kershaw.
Misdirect.
Yeah.
Till the other one comes in today.
It's a Civivi with the same. I forget what it's called, but
The thumb stud and the button lock.
yes, and yeah.